Dear students and parents, warm greetings from Sri Chaitanya Junior College, SR Nagar Zone, Ameerpet campus. Today, we are very excited to introduce you to one of our most successful and result-oriented program, Super 60. Under the Super 60 umbrella, we offer specially designed batches that have consistently produced top ranks in JEE Main and JEE Advanced. These include Super 60 XL 500, Nucleus and Sterling. These programs are created especially for students who aim to secure All India rank below 500, below 1000, below 2000 and other very good ranks in JEE Main and Advanced. Important features of Super 60 programs. Most batches are semi-residential, but in Super 60 Sterling, we offer day scholar option also. All the Super 60 program timings are 8 am to 7 pm. 8 am to 3 pm that are focused classroom teaching sessions will be conducted, and 3:30 pm to 7 pm doubt clearing and counseling sessions conducted by the same senior faculty who taught you in the morning. Breakfast, lunch and evening snacks are provided by the college management. What makes Super 60 special means it is an intensive 4-phase revision programs designed to give you maximum clarity and confidence. Every week you will write JEE Main pattern tests, JEE Advanced pattern tests, CDF that is chapter wise diagnostic and feedback test. And most importantly, after completion of every test, there is a detailed question paper discussion led by expert faculty so that you understand your mistakes and never repeat them. All classes are conducted in centralized AC classrooms to give you a comfortable and focused learning environment. So dear students, if you want to do your intermediate first and second year in a peaceful environment with state of infrastructure, we warmly invite you to join us. Create wonders together. Thank you very much.